Hello traders and welcome to the market opening preview October 3rd, 2014. Traders, great to be with you on a Friday. Coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue sunny skies and white sandy beaches. Traders, I guarantee you it's going to be lunch under the gazebo today. Absolutely beautiful out there today. Nice cool breeze. Paradise, my friends, paradise. Okay. Let's get to it. Remember, traders, this is brought to you through FXCL. FXCL Excellence in Trading. All right, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I am your moderator through the market opening preview every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, after the Friday close of the New York Stock Exchange, we do the Friday wrap-up, where we go over about 12 to 15 daily charts and discuss what happened in the previous week and what might happen in the week coming. Traders, I started trading in the year of 2006, and in 2008, I came to Thailand on a holiday for 3 months. Well, traders, I'm still here, so I guess I'm still on a holiday. Traders, I love what I do. I love trading Forex. I'm in the Forex market every single trading day. Doesn't mean I necessarily take a trade every day, but I'm at least in the market every day, watching, listening, and looking for opportunities. All right, let's get the risk disclaimer out of the way. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And most importantly, past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Traders, not much news today. The big one is NFP. We had some data come out in Asia today out of Australia, and the data was good. However, I have to tell you that absolutely the market didn't move. I don't think 3 pips. Commentary today is NFP. Traders, if I was you, I'd go play golf. No reason to trade NFP unless you're an experienced news trader. And if you're going to do it on a demo account. If you just want to have some fun, just be very careful trading NFP in the New York session. There's no data. I expect a very slow London session as Germany is closed today. There are no session in Germany, so London could be quite slow, which could mean no volatility and not good for our trading. All right, traders, let's get to the 60-minute charts. You ready? Here we go. Forex, euro dollar. Euro dollar, we're just waiting for this to pull back. We'd love to see it come back to this 23.6 at 1.2686, and we'll take the short or a break of the trend line. Either way, if it retests the trend line and we get a short trade, that's a great trade. Either way, we're going to come up with 35 to 45 pips. If you get the higher one at 26.86, you're looking at a 50-plus pip trade. So that is another option for you to take on the euro dollar. I don't expect a lot of price movement today. Yesterday was pretty sloppy. You got in the trade, but you had to get out of it at that 618. You can see I left the arrow in there on the chart. It's in that red candle. You can see that. That was our entry arrow. So if you did get in, your entry was great. The problem is that the 618 definitely took advantage of you, and it ended up bouncing up the other way, and it's pretty nasty. All right, let's take a look at the pound. The pound is doing its thing, moving to the downside, moving nicely. However, half the day, the pound did nothing. The pound gave us that little bit of a entry. You can see where that wick is coming back up. But if you remember yesterday, I told you that there was a very good possibility that the pound will not give you a pullback. So you're just going to have to enter the trade where you feel comfortable and take it down to the take profit area. I'm looking to take this at 1.6176 if I was going to trade the pound dollar. Traders, 99.9% of the time, I do not trade live on NFP Friday. All right, let's take a look at the Aussie. The Aussie is bearish. However, it's back to the 200 exponential moving average. It spiked through it, as you can see, 6-7 days ago. It's still below the 200. Now I'm looking at this to retest this trend line, and we're just going to take this back down. You see where the stop is. I just went to previous support. That's where I want to take my profits at. I want to get in these trades, and I want to get out of these trades. I'm not looking to be a hero in the Forex market today. I want my 10, 12, 15 pips, and I want out. I'm not going to hang around. As soon as I see a trade start to pull back in the other direction, we're out of there as long as we're in profit. So don't hang around. Don't fall in love with your trades today. Today's not the day. Okay, here's the Euro Aussie. This is a pretty ugly chart. I've got to be real honest with you. If it breaks the 618 to the downside, you could take it. You got plenty of pips to get break even and get some profit. I'd much rather see it come back up to that 44.30 area. Use the 200 exponential moving average as your stop, and then just take this to the downside. So, you know, the Euro Aussie, I think the world of this pair. I like trading this pair, but it's been a little finicky lately. But I would take it to the downside. And traders, to be honest with you, I'm not expecting a lot of price action today. Here's the Euro Yen. This is in a great spot to short at this 137.77. So maybe this will move up a notch. We are doing this 4 hours before the London Open. So maybe this will pull up a notch and then we can take this down. So we're looking at almost 5 candles before we get to the Open. And maybe we can get this down. If we get to our profit area, I mean, we're looking at over 65 pips if this trade works out. Again, be careful. It's NFP Friday, and we have no German markets today. The New Zealand dollar is the New Zealand dollar. It is sideways. It's been hugging on this 200 exponential moving average. Traders, it just needs to break the trend line. The problem is we're going to break this trend line, and what's going to happen? We're going to come into a support area right away. So you might want to wait for that 78.54 to break short, give you a retest, and then take it down to recent support. Don't know about this one, traders. I'd like to see this pull back up to the 200, to be honest with you, and give us a bearish candlestick and then take it from there. I think that's probably the best trade out of all 3 options. However, we will see what happens in 4 hours from now. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining me this week and today and the market opening preview, which is brought to you every single day before the London Open. Traders, have a good weekend, and we'll see you for the Friday wrap-up sometime after the New York close. Traders, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue, sunny skies and white sandy beaches. Have a great day, traders, and we'll catch you next time.